Wyvern Creations presents removing the latch from the Ravin Crossbow. The Ravin Crossbow has got more information with its owner's manual than most people would care to look through. However, there's one bit of information that is missing that we have seen a fair amount of interest in finding out how to do, and that's how to release the latch on the system from the string. Now, if you take your crossbow and you release the slide and it comes down and latches onto your string, you're not going to be able to get that off. So there is a little trick. It's not in the owner's manual. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's real simple. What you need, an arrow, and an Allen head wrench. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, as you can see, this is now latched down onto the string. So what you want to do is load an arrow. And what that does, as you can hear that, it's going to activate the dry fire system, or deactivate it actually. Move the safety up into fire. Then take your Allen head wrench, and at the very, very back of the slot back here is a rectangular hole. What you want to do is put that in there, and you'll find the latch. Press on it, releases the whole system. That's it.